I'm Ohad Karnieli. I'm the founder and CEO of the company. Been in the cell and gene therapy for over 25 years, from my PhD on, and dedicated to this therapy with all my life. So we're at Advanced Therapies Europe, one of the best shows that we know in this area, in this field. What I like about it is the fact that it is a really communicative meeting. It's a small meeting, allows people to meet with one another and discuss. Real innovation comes out here, real challenges and discussions, and therefore it's the place to be. We're at a point where we have a device already ready for market, being installed in several places. We're at that early commercial stage, and this is really revolutionizing this industry. We're trying to bring an enabling new technology that allows manufacturing at scale at a very simple manner, through an automated manner, getting more cells and better cells to more patients, using AI, using machine learning, using 14 different control parameters, and really bringing the state-of-the-art industry into this amazing science. So the takeaways from the show are basically, we need to progress. The industry is ready to move. The science is there. It's clear that manufacturing is an issue, and this is the time to start innovating into manufacturing so we can get better cells to more patients.